first of all, we need all of these kind of domains to work. It doesn't cut it to have only some of them. But in addition, they actually need to work very tightly together. So if this was a nice animation, they would kind of move in and kind of melt into one thing. So that the kind of integration between the domains that now is kind of, in many cases, kind of siloed already, even though we're talking only about security services, they might be already working in separate silos there, be it on client side or on the service provider side just as well. And of course, that we need to change. So we need to gather that information, be it around assets and vulnerabilities and context of what they are used for in the business, what value are they creating, getting that kind of real business risk management kind of approach going there. That then seamlessly kind of feeding into the detection cycle. So what should we be detecting? How can we detect that? Be it on network, infrastructure, operating systems, but also business applications and so forth. And then, of course, know how to respond when something bad happens. There we should have more and more automation going. But again, also tying back then to the protective side. So, of course, we should be doing protective stuff based on that same intelligence that we built there in the identify box that we use to feed to the detection side. We should also use it to feed the protective side. So kind of constantly hardening the whole landscape, call it security posture management or exposure management or whatnot. So the kind of industry has already picked up on these terms, but I think that now is the time to kind of step up the execution on that as well. So coming from both directions, kind of having constant feedback loop from kind of gaining understanding to taking action on it. And of course that cycle then needs to be shorter and shorter and shorter as we go forward. And this is in essence what we then have decided to call security fusion here at Nixu, and this is melting all of these pieces together to create a better future where we are maybe not, and as said, not only kind of fusing the components that Nixu is providing together, but also working together with the kind of bigger community, be it our partners here, but also then for instance, our clients and their IT service providers to really kind of get that fusion going throughout that whole ecosystem.